Is Monzo for Business actually good, or is it just another banking app in a hot coral jacket? If you're a sole trader or running a small limited company in the UK, you've probably heard the buzz about Monzo Business. It's digital, it's sleek, but is it the right financial partner for your business? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of Monzo Business to give you a clear-cut verdict. Let's start with the great news. The Monzo Business Lite account is free, and it covers the essentials. This is a huge win, especially for those just starting out. You get fee-free UK bank transfers, 24/7 in-app support, and access to Monzo's famous budgeting pots, which are brilliant for setting aside tax money or saving up for big purchases. The app itself is genuinely fast and user-friendly, giving you instant notifications for all transactions, which helps you stay on top of your cash flow. Now, where does it fall short? Monzo is a digital-first bank, and that comes with a trade-off: no physical branches. If you're a business that deals with a lot of cash or checks, you'll be relying on the post office or PayPoint, which can be less convenient. The other major limitation is international banking. Monzo Business is primarily a GBP-only account. If your business involves frequent international payments or deals in multiple currencies, you'll be relying on a third-party integration like Wise, which adds a step to the process, and you'll incur a 1% fee for receiving non-GBP transfers. So, when does it make sense to go pro? Monzo offers the Business Pro account for a monthly fee. This is where you unlock the real power features for growing businesses. You get invoicing tools, multi-user access if you have a team, and, critically, direct integration with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. Plus, you get those automatic tax pots to automatically put money aside, which is a massive time saver. The verdict? Monzo Business is excellent if you are a UK-focused sole trader or small limited company who prefers digital banking, values simplicity, and doesn't rely heavily on foreign currency or physical branch services. The free Lite account is perfect to start with, and the Pro account provides solid tools for expansion. If you're a bigger business or operate across borders regularly, you might find its GBP-only focus too restrictive. Ultimately, Monzo for Business is good, but whether it's good for you depends entirely on your business's size and where you operate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.